Aim Chapali, film Gurinchi, my God, what a journey it has been. Uh, to be honest, to begin with, Nagi sir, thank you for introducing me to Telugu cinema. I became his biggest fan when I saw the first, and in Melbourne, Mahanati, and I just told him what a pedda fan I am when it comes to his craft. And the next thing I know is there is Sita Ramam being made, and he recommending my name to Vaijayanti Films. And to begin as a Vaijayanti heroine, it is an honor. I take immense pride in it, and I feel when in an industry, when in Telugu film industry, when you have Swapna Garu, Priyanka and Nagi Garu and Ashwini Dutt sir backing a film, that itself is it's a half winner. You know, the film has already won. The authenticity, the love, the appreciation, and now the support that you guys have given me all throughout my 4 films, it tremendously means the world to me. Thank you so much, Nagi Garu. Swapna, you're the pillar of Telugu film industry. When I go back in Hindi, when people ask me, whose film are you doing? And I say, Swapna Dutt, they say, Ayyo, wow, that's so good. Now when I say Supriya Garu, when I say Supriya, they are like, Mrunal, you're in safe hands. How do you get so lucky, man? And I'm like, I don't know. Like, you know, like Nandini Garu said, I'm a Telugu Ammai. And that's the love that you guys have showered. And I don't know, it's my past life karma that I'm getting this love and appreciation. Just overwhelmed, and I realized that all the 10 years that I've started my journey, all the fights and that I've been through, the struggles, the journey, rejections, it is because for this day, and it is absolutely worth it. Allu sir, you are such a sweetheart. I think all my celebrations you've been a part of. My first Best Actress award was given by you to me. And for you to be here celebrating the success of Decoy truly means the world to me. Vasu sir, thank you. I don't see him here, but honestly, it's so sweet of him to come and talk about the film and the magic that Saraswati has created. To be honest, it is incomplete without the writers, the director, the cinematographer, the editor, the sound, music, BGM. If you take one thing away from me, the film will not land. I think we have today a fantastic team, and we've created some extraordinary, beautiful memories. And I want to give the credit to all you talented people out here for trusting me, because it's been a while that, you know, in my head I used to dream about ek din aisa aayega where these filmmakers will trust me and write roles for me. And today when you all say that, when you all give me an opportunity to perform in front of the camera and create magic, my heart just feels like this is what I dreamt of and all my dreams are coming true. To begin with the captain of the ship, Shinil Garu, you are the most calm, patient, and collaborative directors I've ever worked with. I know sometimes I would get like an enthu cutlet and ask you, tell me, what happens? Induku, ema indi, what is happening? Why would she do this? But for you to patiently answer all my questions, that's the result when you see it on screen. When all my questions were answered, I was satisfied, and hence it could reflect. I could project that character. I could project those emotions on screen. And whenever I could sense the boys were getting little tensed and things are not working out, I would just sneak someone's phone, hide it. I would take a mic, start singing the song. I felt I was the princess on this set. When it comes to Shinil, Shesh, and DB Garu, all three boys truly made me feel like I'm a princess. I could have, we could fun around because the film is so emotionally heavy. And I realized that the boys need a breather. Let me just crack a joke, or let me just sing a song and just create a lighter moment so that, there is this lovely, happy atmosphere on set. Ee movie lo, the biggest highlight for me is Dhanush Bhaskar. This is such a challenging role as an actress because obviously I'm not in the most glamorous, presented as the glamorous girl, but I don't think I've ever looked so beautiful with my flaws, with those shadows, and the vibe and the aura that you've created when it comes to it's a visual treat. Welcome to the film industry. Welcome, Dhanush Bhaskar Garu. You are a gemstone, and we are absolutely happy to have you on this film and to many more collaborations together. PK Garu, you broke your neck, you had a baby boy. There are so many things you went through. Oh my God, it's full roller coaster ride. But every time I felt a little stuck, every time I felt like something was wrong, you would sneakily just come in like this and like, Mrunal Garu, see this, watch this. And I would just be like, oh my God, he gave me the biggest hint, and I would just go back in front of the camera and create magic. So thank you for being that constant friend, that confidant that I would come and talk and just went out. But congratulations to you, because the way the trailer was cut, the teaser, the film, everything looks so like, oh my God, what next now? So Gyani Garu, my performance is ek taraf, और आपका म्युझिक एक तरफ. చాలా एलिव्हेट मतलब इतना एलिव्हेट कर देता. मी काय सांगू तुम्हाला. आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही माझ्याशी मराठी बोललात तर मला असं वाटलं की ये थँक्यू. तितकंच येतं. बरं, मी तुला नंतर ट्रान्सलेट करेल याच्याबद्दल. But thank you, खरंच thank you. It's a lot to find Hira, gemstone, Pukhraj, what are the other, the diamond, sapphire, yellow sapphire. So here we have, without you guys, this is the film, and without you guys, I don't think we would be able to do that. Coming back to Chinni, na pranam nuvu, you are my heart, no? Mama, you okay, no? Harshita ji, you okay with that, right? I feel like she listens to me more than she listens to her mama, because even when the film got over, she's like, ma'am, no, she doesn't listen to me, she only listens to you. So I'm happy to have found a beautiful daughter in you, and even better actress. There are so many things I learned from you, the way you express with your eyes, the way you would just hug me. I would feel that energy. I'm not a mother in my life, but I don't know, this is an emotion which only you or Maheen, my last film, they've truly made me feel like this motherhood is such a strong emotion. And even if you see at the Academy, at the Oscars, the only person who's thanked the most is the mother. And you the reason why what I do in the movies because of you. So thank you for being my driving force. Thank you for being Saraswati's strength. Thank you for being the wonderful baby girl you are. If it wasn't you, it would be so difficult. You're so disciplined, and it is rare to find such beautiful actress at that age. I love you, Junior Juliet. And talking about Shesh, my partner in crime, there are days where I have realized that I'm doing action for the first time and he's getting into the human drama space for the first time. So what is most important is when you come on sets and collaborate and you're open for, improving and getting better. There is one scene in Saraswati House where, we both meet each other for the first time after 13 years. And that's one of my most favorite scene of yours, Shesh Garu. The way you performed in that scene, I truly forgot that I was watching, Swapna Garu said, I forgot that it was Shesh. I was so immersed in the character. Your scene with Atul sir, the way you express your love, इवन आफ्टर बिट्रेयल जो प्यार है आपका जूलियट के लिए वो हमेशा ज़िंदा रहेगा. और आपके वजह से आई फील आई हैव गॉटन अ opportunity and a role which not many girls get. Thank you for writing a very meaty part for me, for Saraswati, and the word thank you seems so small right now. I wish I could express, and I'm not great with expressing. The moment I have lines from, my writers, I would be able to enact it, but here I am just grateful to give this opportunity to write Juliet. I don't think characters like these are written. It's once in a blue moon. And no matter how long it takes for me to wait, I will wait for the right part. More than anything, it is your security as a hero who's gone out and promoted. I had not watched the film, sir. He's gone out and promoted and told the audience that this film is a two-hero film. And last night when I watched the film in Telugu, I realized why he said that. I'm forever grateful to you for giving me Saraswati. It's just surreal because day one, we were anxious, we were scared, we were the roller coaster of emotions that we felt together. And the fact that we were not afraid of feeling our emotions, that's what makes this camaraderie even better. And, you know, I feel like Shesh Garu, you should be celebrated as an actor, not just in the thriller space, but in romance and human drama and many more genres out there. This is your best performance. I have witnessed the audience. They were sobbing when you were sobbing. They were feeling the rage when you were feeling the rage. And what a fantastic introduction. I think it's a full Paisa Vasool film. Thank you, Shesh. Thank you, entire team, for making me a part of a film where aim kawali, action kawali, take it. Romance kawali, take it. Betrayal kawali, undi. Sab kuch hai. Now I'll tell you, I'm sorry this speech is a little longer, but I've been like, I'm so welled up right now. The reason I actually did this movie is because of Dipali, my core team. She is somebody who lost her dear one during COVID. And she is the reason why I wanted to be a part of a film that is not just about entertainment, but also talks about a portion or a topic where during COVID, there are a lot of people who lost their lives, who lost their loved ones. And there is one bit which I would not reveal right now. I want you to go watch the movie. But Dipali, you're not here. Thank you so much for motivating me to become a better actor and choose roles which would have a sweet impact on their lives and something that when the audience get out of the theater, there is a conversation that, oh my God, like today, when the film is out, the reviews that I'm getting that, Mrinal, this is what we went through during that phase of our time, 2020, 2021, it was really difficult. And this film also showcases a part which not many people dare to do so. It's a brave decision, and thank you so much, Supriya Garu. Being a constant, instant energy booster medicine or a vitamin, I can say so on this. Every time, Tinnava, every time she'll be like, are you prepared? Are you okay? Are you feeling good? I can't believe you called for chocolates and, and cocoa powder when I had to get drenched into the mud. I mean, which producer does that? I love you for looking after me. Even when I was unwell, you look after me like I was your own baby. There is, every time I meet you, I feel there's no difference between Satya and I. You just treated me like your daughter. Means the world to me. And last but not the least, Vijay Garu, our action director. This is my first action movie with him. He is the reason why I felt like, yes, I'm confident enough. I'm not just the emotional quotient in the movie, but someone who could bring the swag when it comes to driving. And Nagi Garu knows what a big Formula One fan I am. In my head, when I was sitting and driving the ambulance, I felt like I was Lewis Hamilton. And that only happens in Telugu film industry. I'm forever grateful to all of you for giving me this opportunity, for calling me Nandini ma'am and appreciating my work, my eyes, telling me that I'm the soul and calling me the hero of the film. My parents are really proud of me and because of you all. Thank you so much. Where is Lochan Thakur? Yeah. She's my partner in crime, sir. Lochan Thakur, she's been part of my filmography from Super 30. Every time she creates a look for me, she's my sister. First a makeup artist and then my sister. Otherwise, ghar mein daketi ho jayegi. She's created fantastic looks for me. And be it Sita, she just elevated, she made me look so royal. But when it comes to Saraswati, she said, I'm not giving you makeup, whatever you want, do whatever you want. She made sure that I looked the part. Rekha from the costume team made sure that I looked from Madanpalli, somebody who's actually going through crisis in family. So everybody, right from the costumer to the spot dada, Sonu, Arun, Deepu, Tanishk, Ankita, all of you all, my core team, you guys give me strength no matter how difficult the scenes are, giving me so much love and support and encouraging me is all I need. Thank you. I'm just forever grateful to you all. Love you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Mrunal Garu. You know, you have this special art of stirring our hearts, you know, with cuteness and emotion. You did that magic on stage as well today.
Thank you. And I must say, you're so wonderful as a host as well.
Thank you.
Before leaving, I just want to say that even in the film, to Chinni, I say, Na pranam ra nuvu. I want to say that to my audience, like, aap meri jaan ho, like, na pranam na nuvu. Thank you so much.
అక్కడ నుంచి కూడా సేమ్ డైలాగ్ వస్తుంది మా ప్రాణం